That cost could have a greatest worth of $0.0417 toward the finish of 2023. Vechain cost with a potential flood could go as high as $0.284 toward the finish of 2030. The world is taking on the blockchain innovation at a speeding up pace. The reception of the tech comes to tackle true issues and issues. Vechain is one such blockchain, which expects to address the tenacious difficulties on the planet. With its ability and store network the executives, the tech has gathered the interests of the majority. Vechain's local resource VED has been far off from the sparkle and buzz of the market outlines recently. With the resource accessible at a rebate, financial backers are excited about VET cost. Vechain cost expectation for 2023 could go from $0.0198 to $0.0417 for the year. Might it be said that you are likewise thinking about VET for your portfolio? Look no further, as our forecast brings to you the conceivable VET cost expectation 2023-2025 and the years to come. Vechain establishment, a non-benefit association enrolled in Singapore in 2017, deals with the task. The undertaking is known for its coordinated effort with significant organizations, for example, Microsoft, Shanghai Gas, Walmart China, BMW Gathering, H&M, and others. What is Vechain? VET is a blockchain-fueled stage work to remodel store network the board. Its point is to work with the best assets to dealers who wish to take care of certifiable monetary issues. The organization claims two local tokens VET and VTHO. The objective is to support the adaptability, proficiency, and detectability of supply chains, while guiding more control to individual brokers. Nonetheless, the stage is exceptional as it intends to oust store network contact and give an engaging impression to brokers. Vechain value expectation 2023. Vechain is in the advancement mode to construct a blockchain-based stage that doesn't just restrict itself to the advanced world, however can likewise incorporate with the genuine business environments. This would guarantee that undertakings would have the option to control different capabilities with the help of this blockchain. The year 2023 could carry ideals to the value projections of VET in the event that the organization sees reception by prestigious organizations. With the blockchain changing planned operations and inventory network, the VET cost could rise to its limit of $0.0417. Then again, the convention neglecting to live up to its assumptions can bring down the cost to $0.0198. All things considered, a harmony in trading tensions could land the cost at $0.0309. VET value figure 2024. Assuming the group behind Vechain utilize formative and local area building drives in the midst of Bitcoin's dividing occasion, a run like that of Bitcoin's extension rally can be expected. In such a case, the VET cost could move to a limit of $0.0631 toward the finish of 2024. Alternately, potential variables like administrative worries could droop the cost to $0.0452. All things considered, an equilibrium in trading tensions could slip the cost to $0.0537. Vechain value expectation 2025. Assuming it can give total joining of the blockchain-based stage with the real business world, it would be more straightforward for organizations to utilize the blockchain. By the following 3 years, Vechain cost could arrive at a limit of $0.100. Running against the norm, in the event that the bears flips the upturn, the cost could plunge to as low as $0.0664. Progressively, the absence of pushing drives could settle VET at $0.0776. VET crypto value expectation 2026-2030. Vechain coin cost 2026. As per our investigators, VET crypto cost for the year 2026 could go between $0.0843 to $0.119, and the typical cost of Vechain could be around $0.101. VET crypto value expectation 2027. As indicated by our examiners, Vechain cost for the year 2027 could run between $0.115 to $0.152, and the typical cost of VET could be around $0.134. Vechain crypto cost 2028. As indicated by our experts, Bitcoin cost for the year 2028 could run between $0.153 to $0.199, and the typical Vechain cost could be around $0.177. VET value expectation 2029. As per our investigators, Vechain crypto cost for the year 2029 could run between $0.198 to $0.227, and the typical VET cost could be around $0.213. Vechain Value Expectation 2030. As per our examiners, VET coin cost for the year 2030 could run between $0.239 to $0.284, and the typical cost of Vechain could be around $0.262. Vechain Value Forecast. As indicated by figured out VET cost forecast, the cost could brush a limit of $0.0417 toward the finish of 2023. On the other hand, things self-destructing could land the cost at $0.0198. All things considered, with developing selections and organizations, the value expectation could hit a limit of $0.199 by the following 5 years. Major examination established in 2015 and sent off in 2016. Vechain is a blockchain-based framework work to upgrade production network the executives and business processes. The venture was at first imagined as an inventory network the executives and hostile to forging framework in view of blockchain and IoT advancements. In December 2017, the item was rebranded and relaunched as the Vechain blockchain for decentralized applications (dApps). Vechain has now set up a good foundation for itself as a blockchain specialist co-op for organizations in any industry. Further, Vechain plans to turn into a main stage for beginning coin contributions (ICO), and furthermore a stage for going through with exchanges between the Web of Things (IoT) and its associated gadgets. Vechain Authentic Market Feelings 2018-2022. Vechain VET was recorded on digital currency trades in late July 2018 and exchanged the scope of 2 cents $0.026. From the outset to the center of August 2018, the value tumbled to $0.006 per VET. The coin shut the year at $0.004. In Q1 of 2019, the cost of VET was trapped in the $0.0036-$0.005 territory until it broke out to $0.0079 in spring. In the wake of pulling back to $0.0056 in April, the resource kept on developing, cresting at $0.0098 in June. Vechain cost couldn't hold these levels and slid down before it laid out help at $0.0028 in late October. As the resource found new ground, it recuperated rapidly and met opposition at $0.008 in November 2019. The resource shut the year with $0.0056 cost per coin. From the start of the year, Vechain proceeded to develop and retested the opposition at $0.0082 in February 2020. On the 13th of spring, VET had set a new low at $0.0016 mark. By the 11th of June, the VET cost broke its opposition at $0.0082. After a consistent pullback, VET figured out how to exchange at $0.017 by early August. Following a consistent decay until November, the development of Bitcoin's meeting pushed the cost to $0.018. Vechain cost initiated the year with